Hello everybody, my name is Pratisha Nathani, currently studying in grade 11 from Navrachna School, Sama, Vadodara. My enrollment number is 2009030941010. So today I'll be taking you along with me on a journey where I've been since past 15 days. This journey is named Zeal. Zeal because Zeal means to be more enthusiastic and curious at all times, which I was throughout these 6 challenges that I've completed. So my first challenge was my wand, the power in me. The name given to it is will because I wanted my wand to be a representation of myself. The mantra I've given is pick your pen, and the power of my wand include motivating people, moderating things between people, convincing people, being open to all ideas or opinions. So you can see this pen is painted in blue. Blue color stimulates the mind and motivates people. Olive leaves represent how peaceful I am, and intermingled olive branches state that I am a very easygoing person. I'm not a very confronting person. There's one flower. This flower specifically is chrysanthemum flower because that flower is known to be flower of optimism. And I'm a very optimistic and cheerful person. The petals are painted in yellow because yellow color represents creativity. Lastly, you will notice that this pen does not have a lead. That's because I am a very open person. And last power message I would like to put out is when you will be the best form of yourself, you get best of everything, which is represented by this colorful ink. Vision board, what I want to be. So I want to be a lawyer and a psychologist. So lawyer, the skills I require will definitely be confidence and good writing skills. So confidence I will develop by participating in more competitions like LEAD, and good writing skills by exposing myself to good use of vocabulary and wide range of vocabulary. Psychologist, communication skills, I believe your words should have power in order to have an influence on your client or motivate your client. Empathetic, I believe you should be able to relate to them, or you should be able to put yourself in their shoes in order to give best solutions or suggestions. So this I will develop by dealing with different people who have further dealt in different situations. Stretch your imagination. So I have made my toys out of cardboard waste. So I've made 3 toys: zebra, giraffe, and elephant. So these toys can be dismantled and can be made over again. The idea behind the whole thing is these 3 toys would come as puzzles with my storybook, which is handmade. So this, whenever the kid is reading the story, he or she can build the puzzles. He or she can build the puzzles at the same time, and this would help the child understand the story in great depth, relate with the world better, and will also initiate practical learning. Help in the kitchen. So I cook tacos, I bake cakes, I help my mom clean refrigerator. I've added pictures in the next slide. So working in the kitchen helped me be more responsible, manage my time, take a direction, and take immediate decisions and be satisfactory. I was advised to work on my serving skills and also be more organized. So these are some pictures. Let's make the world a better place. So my aim is to spread awareness regarding cerebrovascular diseases and how to cure it by giving a CPR. So since 78 lakh people in India die because of CVD, cerebrovascular diseases, and only 1% of India's population knows how to give CPR. So this was my aim. These are the stats which show the increasing rates. So what outcome I see? So decrease in the death rates, immediate initiative. So finally we can see people taking immediate action rather than suffocating the person and clicking pictures and recording videos. Young kids, if they're educated and if they're familiar with such methods, they can take precautions beforehand. And this also lowers risk of heart diseases, diabetics, stroke of high blood pressure, certain types of cancer, osteoporosis, etc. So the social action, do your part, care for your heart is the name I've given. So actions you took to create awareness. I've conducted research. I took a help from a professional certified trainer who's my sister. She's certified. She knows how to give a CPR and she taught me. I also made a card which gave link to different websites, very important websites like American Red Cross. And I also had links to information in Gujarati and Hindi because I did not want to limit my audience. And I have lastly spread awareness through my Instagram handle. and my WhatsApp by making posts and sending them to people. So from my Instagram, I posted stories on my Instagram, and my reach through Instagram was 212 people, and through WhatsApp was 113 people. So let's make the world a better place. Action I will take in future. So again, create awareness like the way I am. Teach other people how to give a CPR. It is very easy to teach people. Card and website. The card that will give links to various websites, giving information, accurate information, and also in different languages. Fundraise. I will raise funds and donate to probably an NGO in future. So these are certain screenshots of the reach, 212 people. And then there's a card I made, and that's the WhatsApp status. And this is a photo of me making the card. Challenges faced. Looking for a link in Gujarati was very difficult. Making the cardboard toy stand because of the incorrect measurements. Knowing more about myself, giving it a correct representation. So I did not know more about myself. So I literally had to sit down and think about myself and get my vision clear. Get my vision partially clear. This was very tough because I had to make a vision board, but I did not know a lot about what I want to become in future. Overall learnings, I learned how to manage my time, how to plan my day out very well, accept failure and not losing hope after, educating people with accurate information and picking out correct amount of information which would interest them, because I wanted people to go through my stories, read my stories and know, rather than just swiping through them. Skills utilized. So vision board required strategy thinking, self-awareness, help in the kitchen, attention to detail, fast-paced decision-making, cleanliness, drawing a wand and toys, making creativity and logical thinking, social action, persuasion, influence, definitely. Describe your leadership journey in 5 lines. So it was great working with all the challenges. It really made us put our thinking caps on. The journey I've been in past 15 years taught me to take risks, fail, but not lose hope. Clear vision with strategies pre-planned. We have evolved and grown from our past, and we will keep growing with a little piece of information Lead has given to us. Thank you so much. I would first like to thank Lead as well for giving us such a big platform to come on to and spread and do our little part. So thank you, Lead, and thank you everybody who is viewing my video, if you've come this far.